Hi, I'm Casey Krebs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a matcha green tea smoothie bowl with granola and all those amazing fixings on top. So what we're going to need to do is first get our blender or Vitamix. So I have mine right here, and we're just going to add all of the ingredients right in here. So I'll put this down here. And the first thing you're going to need is you can use a half a cup of any kind of liquid. So coconut water, almond milk, oat milk. I'm just going to use water today. So I have half a cup of water right here. I'm going to put that in first. Next, you can add in whatever greens you like. So I'm going to add in kale today because I always keep a bowl. I always keep a bowl of greens in my fridge for salads, for quick salads. So I usually just put a damp paper towel on top, and just to keep it fresh, so I have salad ready to eat anytime. So I'm just going to take a cup of my kale that's already pre-washed and dried, and put this in the blender. So I eyeball it. It's about a cup. You can put a little bit more in, or a little bit less if you like. I like to put a lot in, so I think that's about a cup. I'll add just a little bit more. And then again, if you want to have fresh spinach or leaves in your fridge, you can always just keep it with a damp paper towel on top. It keeps it crisp, and seal it. Okay. Next, we're going to take one large banana, and you can either use a frozen banana or you can use a fresh banana. And today I'm going to use a fresh banana. I always keep frozen bananas in my freezer anyhow, so I have them for when I'm craving a smoothie. But I actually have fresh ones, so we're going to use that. So just open up the banana, and you can put the whole thing in. I just break it up a little bit. So we have our banana in there. Next, we're going to do a couple teaspoons of lemon zest. So again, you can measure this again. I just eyeball it. I take my microplane, place it on top, and then just zest it right on top. And when you're zesting, you don't want to go too far in. Once you see that light color, that's as far as you want to go, because that is the pith and it gets bitter. So you just want the actual dark green part, okay? So we'll just move it around, zest the entire lime, or 2 teaspoons worth. And once you zest the lime, it dries out a lot quicker, so you want to use your lime right away, or at least juice it right away, or else the lime will get hard, and it'll be hard to cut, and then the juice will dry out. And you'll want about 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice anyhow in this smoothie bowl. So I'm going to juice it right in. Again, I'm going to eyeball it, but you can, if you want, you can juice it right into a measuring cup and measure it out. So that was about 3/4 of a tablespoon here. So I'll probably just do the whole lime. And for smoothie bowls, if the measurements aren't exact, that's fine. They're all going to taste different anyhow, no matter what. So depending on what your leaves taste like that season, the kale, the growth, and everything. So it'll alter somewhat regardless. And next, what you want is you want your smoothie to be cold. So if you don't use a frozen banana, you also want to add ice in. You can also add ice in if you use a frozen banana too. So I usually add 3 to 4 ice cubes. So we'll just add those right in as well. And then we want some natural sweetener as well. So we're going to take 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Okay. If you like it sweeter, add more. It's your smoothie bowl. You're the one who will be enjoying it. Whoa, so there we go. I got a little bit more than 2 teaspoons. And next we're going to add our matcha green tea in here. You can get matcha green tea powder at almost any store these days. So it's just I have a small little packet, and it goes a long way because unless you drink loose matcha green tea powder often. So we'll just measure that in here. You know, if you can't get in one of your local stores, you can also order it online as well. So we just have 1/2 teaspoon of the matcha green tea powder. It's very powerful, so which is why you don't need that much. It has a lot of great benefits for your body. Okay, so this is what we have. It's our green matcha green tea smoothie bowl. It has the banana that will add a little bit of sweetness, the maple syrup, and then all these yummy greens and nutrition packed in here. And then we're gonna add some great toppings. So what I'm gonna do is blend this up. Then we're gonna come back, pour in a bowl, and add our toppings. Okay, so we just mixed up our smoothie in our blender, and what you're gonna wanna do is taste test it. I taste tested mine, and since my bananas weren't as ripe as they normally are, they aren't as sweet. So what I'm gonna do is when I pour my smoothie bowl into the bowl, I'm gonna drizzle some maple syrup on it. Hi guys, my pups just came home. So I blended up the smoothie bowl and I just poured it right in here. So now we're gonna put the toppings on. Since it is a matcha green tea smoothie bowl, I'm gonna add our Matcha Green Tea Urban Hippie Granola on top. We're also going to add in some flax seeds, some hemp hearts, and some pumpkin seeds as well. So you can pick whatever toppings you like. We'll start with this. Just sprinkle it right on top, however much you like. And then we'll move into our flax seeds next. And then our hemp seeds. And then finally, I'm gonna put some pumpkin seeds in. You can also add dried fruit in, some coconut if you wanna add a little bit more sweetness as well. And I usually keep all these on hand, so I have a lot of variety. So my smoothie bowls can be different every morning. It's a great way in the morning to get your vegetables in, to get some nutrients in. And I mean, imagine serving up that to your family or to yourself. So that's the smoothie bowl for today. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some new ideas on how to get more greens into you and how to get more nutrients into you. It's a great way to get fiber into you as well. So happy breakfast to you, and I'll see you another time. Again, I am Casey. I'm here to help you learn how to eat nutritious and make some delicious recipes for you and whoever you want to share them with. Thanks for coming.